Welcome back, Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I want to show you how I made this design. To me, it's a lot of fun. You can use it for cups if you want to size it down for cups or mugs, but I'm using this for Santa sacks. So there were some videos out last year, a very popular trend on taking Dollar Tree pillowcases, doing sublimation on them, and making them into Santa sacks. So I'm making this for that. I think this might be a fun addition to farmers markets, but I just want to show you how I did the design. So I'm just going to click add a page, and I'm going to start by going to elements, and I'm going to type special delivery. There's a fun font that's already available. I am using the pro version of Canva, so this is available in this version. And so I'm just going to use special delivery, and I'm going to move it up to the top. I'm then going to type in Santa chimney, and you see the various graphics and Santa going down the chimney. I did look, there are a couple of free ones. I didn't use the free version today. I used the paid version in Canva, but this version is free if you want to use something that doesn't cost anything. But I'm going to grab the one at the top, which is from the pro version. And I'm just going to move that right into place, right under special delivery. If you want to see the size, special delivery is 6.8 width by width, 6.8 in width by 4.07 in height. Santa is 4.75 in width by 6.83 in height. And then I'm going to put in the name. So I'm going to go over to my text, going to click add a heading, and I'm going to type for, the word for, F-O-R, because this is going to be a gift design. And so if I go back to my original, this is a Comic Sans font at 150, and this is the positioning. It is 3.91 by 2.49, and the positioning is 4.28 by 4.2. So that lets you know where you want it positioned on your paper. So we're going to go here, we're going to replicate that as a Comic Sans. Again, 150, 4.28, and it was by, I believe, 4.2. Going to move that over. Alright, so I had to make sure my width for 4 was 3.91 by 2.5, which moved it into place for me. But if you punch all these numbers in, you don't have to worry about manipulating it to the exact size. So I want to match this color, and I'm highlighting over it for you guys. So it's F as in Frank, 3131. And so I'm clicking on it here so I can replicate the color. And then I am going to go back over to my text, and I'm clicking heading again, and I'm typing in the name. Now this time I'm typing the name Zuri, and again I want to duplicate my original. So the font is Holiday, and it's 1.35. Excuse me, I said 1.35. This is 135. For the color, you can leave it as red as you leave it as the color red if you want, or you can change it to the color green, and this is the color number 137747. So then when I scroll down here, I can mimic the color number again, 137747, and I have checked my font size, but I want to check the placement. So you see it's 2.75 by 2.2, so hopefully the font size is matching. 2.75 by 2.2, and it's not, so you just type it in here. And I want to, 2.57 by 2.25. Okay. 2.57 by 2.25, and I want to make it 4.93 by 6.02. Now I played around with this a little bit because I was trying to get this to match this exactly, and I can't get it to match exactly, but it's close enough for me. So it's 2.57 by 2.25 here, and then 2.57 by 2.24 here, and it's grayed out for me, but again, this is close enough for me, but I'm trying to get you guys the number, so if you want to replicate it and try to make the exact same thing, you can. The other thing I did up here on special delivery, it's over just a tad bit, and sometimes when you go to print, that makes a difference for you, so you want to make sure it's on the x-axis at 0.18, so you can move this over here at 0.18 just to make sure it's moved over a tad bit, and now it's almost an exact duplication. So if you wanted to just go look at it in the full view, I mean, this is like a point off, not even a whole point off, but so it's almost an exact duplicate. So I hope this helps somebody. When you guys go to design, this will give you the sizes you need. You can print it on a sublimation printer. If you've never printed from here before, you click the share button, you click download, and you want to click transparent background and then click download again. This will allow you to save this on your computer as a total transparent background. And I want to show you something. Once you download it, you need to make sure it is flipped. So I've downloaded my item and I uploaded it to Canva. And so I just want to show you really quickly. You see that this is, I put it on my paper, but I wanted to show you that you want to flip it for sublimation. If you've never done it before, you want to make sure that that is flipped and sized correctly. So now that it's done like this, if you want, you can save it again. Some people's printers will actually flip the image for you, but you have to make sure that this is in the reverse when you go to sublimate it, because it's going to lay face down on your product and everything is going to be reversed, and if not, you're going to ruin some things because it's going to come out backwards. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and when I get ready to press this, I will make a video. Have a great day.